Yeah, my name is Arthur Mercado. I own Fix Auto Alameda, Castro Valley, and Chico. I'm a second generation auto body brat and been in the industry since, I guess, 1985. We currently, with the 3 stores, have about 60 to 65 employees and do an annual revenue between the 3 stores of anywhere between 12 and 15 million per year. Yes, so we have sent right now one that's completed the program, who was a, how you say, complete apprentice. He was a detail kid that was washing cars previously. And we have sent now currently in the program a Tech and a B Tech. Our new apprentice kid has become a B Tech in just a little over 4 months. He has already improved from basically negatively producing at 50 to 60% efficiency, and right now he's already at par at 100%. And he is slowly inching at about maybe 10% per month. So we expect him to be a technician that profitably produces within the next 3 to 4 months. Primarily with this tooling system, what we anticipate is a lot more metal finishing. And of course, we want to see less filler product on the vehicles. With today's paint being as finicky and or as delicate as it's been in all my lifetime, you want to make sure that you don't have too much filler and primers in between your paint layer down to your metal substrate. So this technician, who was never really doing what we call Bondo repair, has now supplanted that with metal finishing and dent pulling, so where he only needs a light skim coat and we don't have to teach him how you say creative Bondo repairs. You know, Johan is only 21, 22 years old. When he came into the shop, very shy, very kept himself tight. Since he went to the program and did very well in the program, he has opened up a lot, asked a lot more questions, has also taken initiative to show some of the older technicians that don't know some of these technologies, and is now happy and eager to even show them, you know, the new stuff that's out there. So confidence-wise, it's been, I guess, threefold for Johan. So we bought a lot of the Betag equipment, I want to say anywhere between 5 to 8 years ago when we first made the entry with them. We've recently purchased a lot more, but we do find a great value in sending the technicians to this 4-week program over the course of 4 months, because you get a lot more buy-in on using the tool. I can't, none of my technicians can negate the fact that the tools work and they do what they're supposed to do and they do it very clean and nicely. It's just a matter of getting that buy-in and getting them confident to use the tools is what's been the hindrance before. So I'm very happy that Betag, along with PFC, has this program now locally so that we can send the techs in one at a time, if you will, and get the buy-in that we've been looking for since, from previous times. We did. We sent a guy that was washing cars that wanted to learn, and now he's I would say between a C and a B Tech. Hopefully there's like a round 2 of this program and we can turn this kid into an A Tech. So that how you say, has paid for itself in spades. In terms of our investment in these technicians and these personnel, we're firm believers in that you're only as strong as your weakest link. So if we can get everybody educated to the point of that they're all relatively equal, we're going to produce a better product for the customer. And lastly, the investment is hardy, if you will, but the fact that we can help these people get to the next leg of their careers, be it with us or with any other person in the industry. I mean, we're suffering right now industry-wide from a lack of personnel. So sooner or later, some of us are going to have to start training people so that we can bring in more technicians into the industry. Yeah, definitely would recommend. Between the partnership of PFC and Betag and the relative closeness of the facility in Sacramento, we have stores in the northeast corner of NorCal and in the Bay Area. It works very well for us. The fact that everybody is supportive, as well as they're there for in between the courses, has been a success for us.